drive the car. All right, so this motion right here, like, is a little one for drive the car, just having to move like this. Drive the bus, the steering wheel's big like this. Fly the plane, kind of going like this, side to side. And catch the train. Now, when we catch the train, it's gonna go, when we go to the right, I think I went 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo, woo. Now, of course, that is a grapevine move. This is serious business, so not necessarily, well, you can have them go 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can have them shuffle to the right, shuffle, shuffle, woo, woo. Let me see you catch the train, however you want to do that. But just showing you how I did it, I think I did the grapevine move right there, just side to side, left, right, and left, boom. But this one is fun, it's a good tempo song, great, let them have a good time, and you can just be real silly with this one, and then just have them do it on their dots. So they have them find their dot. When they get the dot, then just follow the song all the way through. So here it is. This is with the song Drive the Car.
Drive the car, drive the car. You're going real far when you drive the car. Come on, drive the car, drive the car. And spin it all around and drive the bus, drive the bus. You keep your arms wide when you drive the bus, drive the bus, drive the bus. Now spin it all around and fly the plane, fly the plane. You keep your arms by your side when you fly the plane. Come on, fly the plane, fly the plane. Now spin it all around and step to the right when you catch the train. Whoop whoop. Let me see you catch the train and step to the left when you catch the train. Whoop whoop. Now do it all again. Now drive the car, drive the car. You're going real far when you drive the car. Come on, drive the car, drive the car. And spin it all around and drive the bus, drive the bus. You keep your arms wide when you drive the bus, drive the bus, drive the bus. Now spin it all around and fly the plane, fly the plane. You keep your arms by your side when you fly the plane, fly the plane, fly the plane. Come on, yo, and now step to the right when you catch the train. Woo woo. Let me see you catch the train. Now step to the left when you catch the train. Woo woo. Let me see you catch the train. Yo, yo, drive the car. Come on, drive the bus. Yo, fly the plane. Now catch the train. Yo.